Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to ask for further questions if you have any questions or requests on the auto1.com application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, then tap on this three dots icon down below, and after that click on Contact Us, which is the fourth option. Here you can select the topic, such as sales, after sales support, remarketing, or general feedback. After that, select the subtopic, such as how can I purchase a car, I have a question about auctions, car description, and so on. So tap on the relevant one. Then you should add the stock ID of the car, and then type in your message. After that, tap on the send request button. Here you can also see that you have the opportunity to make a phone call. First of all, you should select the country and then the buying car's number. As you can see, here is the availability, and you can also find your local branch by tapping on the find branch button down below. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.